Namaste students, this is JVN Brijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, I welcome to all of you in my digital class. I have prepared this lecture for BSc B.Ed JVC 5th semester students. Paper name is Binomial Nomenclature Taxonomy. Today's topic is cereals that come under economic botany. Okay, students, before this class, in this paper we have studied classification, systematic position, flower description of different families. After completion of that topic, we move to economic botany, and in that category first topic is cereals. Okay, so today we are going to study this. Let's start with some of the list of cereals which are very frequently used. First one is wheat, rice, then barley, sorghum, pearl millets, finger millets, maize and oats. Students, these are the staple food for human being, for human consumption. Human life dependent on these. Out of these, first three are most important, like wheat, rice and barley. In next couple of slides we'll study one by one in detail. Okay, so let's start with this definition. Cereal is any true grass. Students, here true grass is there, means they belongs to family Poaceae, that is grass family. So on the basis of that, true grass is here, cultivated for the edible components of its grains, composed of endosperm, germs or brains. Okay, so they are botanically endosperms which we consume. Okay, a grass such as wheat, oat or corn, the starchy grains of which are used as food, because these grains have large amount of starch which we used. Now this wheat, first one is wheat. Color is golden yellow. Second most produced cereals in the world. Scientific name is Triticum. Species is Estivum. Local name is Gehu. Types of wheat: spring wheat, winter wheat, victus wheat and mealy wheats. Contents: starch, protein, moisture, lipid, etc. Cooked by many ways. These are the images which are showing the grains and mature plants of wheat. Okay. Second is rice, most largely consumed cereal. Local name is chawal. Scientific name is Oryza sativa. Cooked by steaming or boiling. Carbohydrates are major components. Size and color varies. Students, these are the images which is showing rice field and grains, okay, which is white in color. Now barley, sown in the month of February, contain vitamin A, B1 and B3. Scientific name is Hordeum vulgare. Local name jaw, used as a human and human animal food. Fourth most produced cereals in 2007. Type 2 row and grow barley, produced in India, also used to make alcohol. Students, by the process of fermentation, this barley is used for the production of alcohol, organic acids. Okay, apart from that, main use of this barley is as a staple food for human being. Next one is pearl millets. These are the little bit bigger in size, the grains. The scientific name is Penicillium glaucum. Local name is Bajra. Grown in India and West African regions. Could be grown in flood prone areas and in those areas where wheat, corn, etc. are grown. India is the largest producer of pearl millets. It's normally used for its warmth properties, used for making chapatis, pudding, sweet dishes. Okay, these are also used as a staple food. Even in Rajasthan, large area of land is grown this bajra, which is used for human consumption, for animal consumption also. These are the images which shows the bajra grains, and second one is showing the bajra plants in the fields. You might have seen this plants in fields. Now maize. This maize is the very important nowadays, because you might have observed in malls popcorn is there, which is made up of this maize grains. Okay, scientific name Gia maize, common name corn, maize, other name is makai, makki, makka. Many names are there depending on different regions. Grown in India, South America, Africa, Europe, etc. Starch is main component of this grain. Sown in the month of October, used for making flour, popcorn, sweet corn, chapatis. Students, these are the two images which showing maize seeds and corn cob of maize. Students, one more information regarding to maize is that there was a scientist Barbara McClintock. In biology, you might have studied. She has conducted her experiment on maize for jumping gene. Okay, for jumping gene transposons, she has conducted experiment. So some of the examination they used to ask that Barbara McClintock work on which plant, which organism. So you must remember. Okay, you must remember. Next, oat. Scientific name is Avena sativa. Common name is Jai. Sown in January. Excellent source of fiber, consumed as porridge and puddings. Students, this cereal is very important for the purpose of fibers. You might have seen so many nutritional food products nowadays available in markets. Most of them have this oat because this is the rich source of fibers. Okay, so in this way this is used. Images showing matured flattened oat, and below image shows the grains of oat. Okay, so students, in this way we have seen some of the economic importance of cereals. Okay, my question for you, you note down the general name and scientific name of these cereals and send me in comment box. I will wait for your answer. On next turn we will study another topic of economic botany. Thank you very much.